Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Straight out of the oven, piping hot. Eggplants, tomato, onions, garlic, fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so you saw me get the eggplants together. Now some people will flour them with seasoned flour, or some people even put egg and flour. I'm going straight like that, as you saw. Okay, for our little sauce we're going to make for this, 3 decent size ripe tomatoes, 1 onion, some fresh basil, garlic, bit of salt and pepper. Let's get to the cooker. So I've got a little bit of olive oil in there. Let's drop in our onion. I've sliced my onion. You can cut it smaller than this if you want. Get our garlic in, and on a medium heat we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes. Bit of salt, bit of black pepper. Super easy, fantastic. Next up we're going to add our fresh tomatoes. Like I say, try and use a nice ripe one. Big handful of fresh basil, which we're going to use more of later as well. Medium heat, want to go for about 6 or 7 minutes now. Really want to cook them down. The tomatoes, if they're ripe enough, will really break down and make a beautiful sauce. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. Look at that, beautifully broken down those tomatoes. Really simple, basic, rustic, chunky sauce. Let's get this together. Okay, first up, get your oven on, get it on as high as you can, full blast heat. Everything we're doing here is already cooked, we're just bringing it together. Okay, I'm using glass. You can use ceramic or metal, up to you, as long as it can go in the oven. There's 1 layer of our eggplant. We're now gonna get some sauce on there. This nice chunky, fresh, simple sauce. Then we're gonna go a little bit of Parmesan. I've got some lovely thin shaved Parmesan. Then I'm going to go with some mozzarella. You can be using different types of cheese if you want, no problem. I'm just going to use these 2 today. Then we're going to go fresh basil, and then we're going to repeat the process. So on the top layer, I'm just going to put a bit extra cheese, more of the mozzarella than I have in the layers. And I'm using this block type. You could use a grated one if you want. That's it. That's going to go in the oven. That's going to go in my oven full blast for about 8 to 10 minutes. See when it comes out. There you go. That was actually 8 minutes in my oven. Absolutely wonderful. Very easy to make, delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Keep safe and lots of love.